Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the iPad A16 and current iPad OS so compatibility is certain. Next, make sure the Apple Pencil Gen 1 has charge. Attach it to the Lightning adapter or use the charging cap and USB cable. Once done, enable Bluetooth in settings and bring the pencil close to the iPad. This triggers the pairing prompt. Tap Pair, and you're linked. This initial pairing is essential because it registers the pencil's firmware and allows pressure, tilt, and palm rejection to work properly. Once paired, you need to configure Apple Pencil settings so it behaves predictably. Go to Settings and adjust scribble, double-tap actions, and any app-specific options. These change how you write versus tap. Then test in Notes. Draw quick strokes to check pressure sensitivity and tilt response, and switch tools to validate erasing. Make sure your grip and any keyboard case aren't blocking the screen. If marks appear, change position or remove a thick screen protector, because palm rejection depends on To finish, adopt daily habits so the pencil stays reliable. Check battery in the widget and charge for short bursts when needed. If you notice lag or dropouts, close heavy apps, restart the iPad and repair the pencil. This often clears connection issues. For persistent problems, inspect and replace the tip, reset Bluetooth, and ensure iPad OS is updated. Hardware wear or outdated firmware commonly causes faults. One key troubleshooting tip: test the pencil on another compatible iPad to isolate pencil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.